Welcome back to your computer application class 8. In this part of the video, we will continue the topic. That is chapter number 4, spreadsheet chart. In this part of the video, we will learn about types of chart and the components of chart. In the next part of the video, we will learn how to insert charts, how to move and resize a chart, how to change the chart type, and perform various activities on chart practically. So let's begin with the concept of types of chart. Child, MS Excel provides us different kind of charts. Some of them are column chart, bar chart, line chart, area chart, pie chart, donut chart, scatter chart, radar chart, 3D surface chart, and stock chart. Let's learn about the types of chart and for what purpose these charts are used. First, we have column chart. Column chart displays the data in the form of vertical bars. See here, vertical bars are available. So column chart always displays the data in the form of vertical bar, which changes over a period of time. It compares various items. In a column chart, categories are typically organized along with the horizontal axis and values along with the vertical axis. Next, we have bar chart. Bar chart can represent in a tabular format as well as the pattern of column. This chart displays the data changes over a period of time and comparison with some specific or individual items. With the help of image, we can easily identify bar chart and we can analyze the difference between the column chart and the bar chart. Now, if you will see, the column chart displays the data in the vertical bars and bar chart displays the data in the tabular format. Next is a line chart. Line chart can display continuous data over the time set against a common scale and are then ideal for showing the trends in data at equal intervals. In a line chart, the category data is distributed evenly along the horizontal axis and all the values data along the vertical axis. Next, we have area chart. Now here we have the area chart. Area chart displays the magnitude of chart over the time. It shows the relationship of the parts to a whole, displaying the sum of the plotted values. Next, we have a pie chart. Pie chart is used to display the contribution of each value to a total value. This chart shapes a round of a pie and cut into pieces of slices. One data series is shown in the form of comparative size of the things. The data point in a pie chart are displayed as the percentage of the whole pie. Next, we have a donut chart. Donut chart consists more than one data series. Now, if you will see here the record of 3 students is available and it consists more than one data series. These are our data series and it consists more than one data series. In this chart, each ring represents data series. It shows the relationship of the parts to a whole. Next is scatter chart. So let's move to the scatter chart. With the appearance itself, you can easily identify the type of the chart. Scatter chart or the line chart are almost similar, but the scatter chart is displayed with a scribbled lines, whereas the line chart uses the connected lines to display data. Next, we have the radar chart. Radar chart mostly displays the data in the concentric irregular circles. Radar chart plots data in a concentric irregular circles. Each data series has its own value arising from the center point. Lines connect all the values in the same series. Next, we have 3D surface chart. With the name itself, we can easily understand that the 3D surface chart is used to display the data in the 3-dimensional view. A topographic map is the best example of the 3D surface chart. Last, we have stock chart. Child, stock chart is mostly ideal for the stock market activities. Next concept of this video, we have the components of the chart. So here the chart layout is given. With the help of the chart layout, I'm going to explain you the various components of the chart. First, we have the x-axis. X-axis is basically the horizontal axis of the chart. It is also known as the category chart. Next, we have the y-axis. Y-axis are the vertical axis of the chart, which is termed as a value axis, and the value of each data series is plotted on these axes. Next, we have the data series. So these values are termed as a data series. It is a group of data from which a chart is derived. So we can say that this is completely our chart area, and because in this section the chart is placed, so we can say that this is our plot area. Next, we have a chart title. Chart title always display at the top of the chart over here. It helps us to understand what the chart represents. Next is an axis title. Axis titles are the titles given to the two axes. These are our axis titles basically. So axis titles are the titles which are given to the two axes as the x-axis or the y-axis. Next is the grid lines. Grid lines are the horizontal or the vertical lines on the plotted area. In the column chart we have horizontal lines, and in the bar chart we have vertical lines. These are inserted in the chart to enhance its readability. Next, we have the legends. So legends are not displayed here. Legends are mostly displayed in the form of boxes, which mostly plotted on the right hand side of the chart, which usually help us to identify the data series. Each series can be uniquely identified by assigning a unique color. Here only one color is there. If we have the 2 or 3 colors, then each color is going to be defined with the help of legend component. Last, we have data labels. Data labels are the text or the labels that provide additional value or information on the data points. I hope the types of charts and the components of charts are clear for all of you. Child, please feel free to ask your doubts in your online class. That's all in this part of the video. Thank you.